caring about sustainability goes back to my childhood. I grew up in Kolkata, India, where I was born in a family of 10 sharing a cozy apartment. From an early age, my upbringing engendered a sense of collectivism and a deep respect of resources and nature, which is what I do here. My name is Anirban Ghosh, and I'm the Senior Manager for Strategy and Business Development for Circular Economy Solutions at Saint-Gobain, North America. The building materials space alone is responsible for nearly 40% of the global greenhouse gas or GHG emissions. But our need for new materials is only going to rise. We're always going to need new housing, and gypsum drywall is a major component of that. Now imagine a society where instead of continuously mining for new gypsum or relying on byproducts of gypsum from a power plant, we design a process to reuse or recycle drywall that's being thrown away. For that to happen, we need to process gypsum within a circular economy. When we look at circularity of gypsum, we focus on two goals. The first goal is reconserving raw materials. Our plants are working towards this goal by developing internal recycling programs that reuse scrap from the manufacturing process and by sourcing discarded drywall coming from construction and renovation sites. Internal recycling also helps us achieve our second goal, which is reducing the amount of process waste or waste generated from gypsum manufacturing processes. In fact, our internal recycling programs have taught us that discarded drywall is highly reusable, no matter the condition. In our gypsum plant in Vancouver, as of last year, we reached a significant milestone of 1 million tons of gypsum that we recycled, which is equivalent to the volume of drywall needed to build about 250,000 new homes. With our goal to be net zero by 2050, all of this work will directly help us reduce our Scope 2 and Scope 3 emissions. Circularity cannot be achieved by one company. There needs to be an environment for circularity to develop and thrive. We all need partners working together who share our commitment to creating circular economy solutions. And working together, we can redirect construction waste away from landfills, recycle it to create new drywall products without compromising on quality and integrity. We see many examples of circularity in other industries like electronics and textiles, so we know it can be done. We have the opportunity to create a more circular economy in our manufacturing processes. Let's envision a future where our built world is in balance with nature, reducing our impact and respecting the environment.